This is the end results of our Neapolitan cake. I want to show you how it look with the whipped cream on top and the chocolate all surrounded around it. All the chocolate, look at that, the chocolate, the strawberry, and the vanilla. Fabulous, style, fabulous. After this presentation, I will show you how to perform this wonderful cake, y'all. Neapolitan cake. Okay? This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and looking at these wonderful, magnificent things. Look at that, y'all. Ooh. That is so delicious, y'all. That is delicious. Delicious, 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 y'all. This Sandra will tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is a cake. I call this cake the Metropolitan cake, like the Metropolitan ice cream. This is a Metropolitan cake. And what I'm doing now, I baked a strawberry cake, a chocolate cake, and a vanilla cake. So what I'm doing now is cutting them in strips. So you're going to cut them about maybe like this. Maybe 2 inches or maybe an inch probably be fine. Just an inch like that. And we're going to lay them like this. And what we don't use, we could use it for another thing, y'all. So what we're doing is just cutting this down into strips like that. Now, it might be a little bit too much. We might not need all of them, but I'm going to taste it. It's good. So now I'm going to cut the strawberry one. The strawberry out. I'm going to tear it up, y'all. And this is strawberry. I'm going to do it the same way. And we got the chocolate the same way. What I'm doing right now is just showing you how to cut them so you'll be able to place them in a container. Like, so that's the strawberry one right there, y'all. That look good. Strawberry one right there. Now, my best choice do not have strawberry, but they do have it in other flavors. So we got these cut like this. We're going to use them in different ways. Now, like I said, we could use that for something else. And the chocolate one is over here. The chocolate one here. So we'll do the chocolate one like that as well. And this is the chocolate one. And we're going to cut this chocolate one in squares just like this. See the chocolate one? So we'll be right back to assemble this and let you see what it looks like, okay? All right, we are ready to assemble the cake. And if I can remember, I think the chocolate, the strawberry, and the vanilla. That's the flavors I think this will go with. Okay, what we're going to do now is finish. I'm going to leave this piece here. It's got a little end on it. So we're going to use this piece here. Now, it depends on how much we need to do this cake. So I'm going to put it like this. Now, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is too high, y'all. It's too high. So we're going to cut it down a little bit lower than that, because we got other layers to put in there. So we're going to take this one out and put a smaller layer in like that. Okay. Let's see. We're going to do the same. Put a lower layer in there like that. Okay. A little thin layer like that. Now this is a little hunky. We'll have to cut this off a little bit. Shave it off a little bit. Be gentle. Okay. Now, there you go. Now we could put some stuff on the side. Some of this on the side. Just like that. Push it down and put some on the side here. A must. Make a puzzle is okay. And put a little piece right there. It really don't matter, but you know, it don't matter. Okay, now I got some chocolate icing, frosting, and I'm gonna pour it on top just like this. Top like this. Now this is melted. We want it to be good, y'all. So just melt it on like this. Is a whole container. And we want it to be all over the cake. Just melt it in the microwave, make 2 minutes. I mean 2, you know, till it gets melted like this. Not so runny, but just enough that it can spread very easy. I love chocolate. Chocolate is just like eating something when you're in love. I guess that's why they use chocolate. Okay, now we're gonna use this. We're gonna use the strawberry. Now I did the strawberry too thick, so we're gonna have to cut it down again. Cut it down. Get y'all in the camera. Gotta cut it down because it's a little bit too thick. I'm gonna cut it down like that. And we're gonna add it to the chocolate like that. Ooh, it smells so good, y'all. I'll do another one. Strawberry. Let's see. Now y'all might do this better than me. I am not mad at you. Okay. That. Now we're gonna put the pieces in like that on the side. Got another piece over here somewhere, yeah. And we're gonna trim it down a little bit. Not a trimming. Because you want it to be, you know, even. Okay, you got that in there like that. Okay. Now, on the strawberry, now we got the chocolate. On the strawberry, we're gonna use strawberry premium filling or topping. That's what it says. It's Lucky Leaf, and Lucky Leaf is a good product, y'all. It's good, and it's now you can get the cheap artificial. It's not as good, but you know, hey, we're gonna do what we can do. Okay, we're gonna get a spoon, and we're gonna put it on top like that. Cause strawberries is on this cake. It's Neapolitan, y'all. It's Neapolitan cake. Yeah, you put this in the refrigerator so it can stay cool. Put some of the, I didn't get any, let's see what you call it, topping, Cool Whip. I didn't get none of that. But I could have got it, but I didn't. This is enough right here. Okay? Like cake. Put it all over like this. Make sure it's covered. Now you might need to get 2 cans of this. If you want to, you get 2 cans. Depends on how you want it to fall when you cut it. But I think this is enough for what we're going to do with it. Try to scrape all that good juice out of there. Okay. Okay. Now let's sing it like that. Now let's go move this out the way. Now we're going to do the white part. I'm going to try to get everybody a cherry. Strawberry. Put it all over. Like that. Okay. Now, what I suggest you do is put another icing on top of this before we put the other one on there. Just drizzle it with that. I'm going to put this in the microwave and be right back, okay? All right, we done melt the vanilla icing. Stir it up. And we're going to pour it just like this on top of this, y'all. Just like this. Pour it on top. Just like them on cherries. I mean strawberries. I don't know what to talk about cherries. You know, I think about this cherry Danish I did. It was delicious, y'all. Okay, we're gonna pour this all on like this. All over. Sides.